Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete folder in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a folder in your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening a Terabox app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see there are a bunch of options available for us on the home screen. Tap on the files button at the bottom of the screen and you land over here where all of your files and folders will be over here. Now in order to proceed to delete folder in Terabox, simply tap and hold on the folder which you want to delete, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of the folder which you want to delete, after tapping and holding on, the menu will be available for us at the bottom of the screen. And you can see guys, at the bottom of the screen there's a menu available when we tap and hold on it, and there is the delete button available for us at the middle section of the screen. Tap on the delete button at the middle section of the screen and again tap on the delete button. By doing that guys, the folder which you want to delete will be sent to the recycle bin of your Terabox app, and it will be deleted 10 days later, wiping it out. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete a folder in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.